Alright, making this video for you guys because what? Well, anyways, I know I got like 200 something reviews or 200 or whatever. Doesn't really matter. Just picked this up the other day, and it's true. Sorry. Nice people swallow. So true. Picked that shit up the other day for by $3.99 because I got tired of these fuckers there breaking all the time. And then also bought, well, minus this part, bought this at the dollar store. The fucker works, so 99 cents, can't beat it, as opposed to whatever they want at elsewhere. I don't know why I set the fucker down. And something else you guys don't know about me is, yeah, I'm gonna play it. I don't give a fuck because I'm tired of whatever these neighbors are playing because it's fucking annoying. This one, she's actually badass.
What's up, girl?
And don't fucking fuck with my audio in the video, cause you know what? Fuck you when you do that.
5 years ahead, coming straight to your earwaves. Hey, girl.
Yes, I do. I like indie music sometimes.
Come on, baby girl, come and dance with me. I don't let you feel alright. Come on. I'ma be your man, you my baby, alright. Let you feel alright. Let you be, I don't let you feel alright. Come on, baby girl, come and party with us. You know you wanna chill with Papa and Just. You know you wanna chill with Papa and Just. You know you wanna chill with Papa and Just. Come on, baby girl, come and party with us. You know you wanna chill with Papa and Just. Sailing around the world, you be calling me your king. I'll be calling you my Ronnie, yeah. Let your bello Ronnie, if you're out and let you give me out and let your bello Ronnie, yeah. Come on, baby girl, come and dance with me. I don't let your bello Ronnie, yeah. If you're out and let you give me, I'ma be your man. You're my baby, Lord Ronnie, yeah. Let your bello Ronnie, if you're out and let you give me, I don't let your bello.
Get my burp on.
Show you around the world, and tell you my kahani. This is our story, showing me and you. Driving around the city, this is what a player do. I got a Lambo, I got a Benz, I got the sickest rips. For you, girl, you were just the sickest chick. Cause you're so damn hot. And I know for sure you ain't no damn thought. Show you all my friends, tell you what's good. Take you to the club every night like you should. You with me, girl, you with me, girl. I'ma bring you round, you can meet the team, girl. Yeah.
Only took the hat off because y'all can see me better.
Fine dining to Marcy's, cause that's just how we bring it to. I just drop money on you. Girl, I love you. Got your head up in the star, no, I'm looking so clean. Girl, one thing, how you get in them jeans? Girl, one thing, how you get in them jeans? Girl, one thing, how you get in them jeans? Pull up in the star, no, I'm looking so clean. Girl, one thing, how you get in them jeans? Girl, you know it's true that my heart is for you. I ain't rolling with no flying, yeah. Get your bello Ronnie, yeah. Let you give me out and let your bello Ronnie, yeah. Come on, baby girl, come and dance with me. Out and let your bello Ronnie, yeah.
No? More?
Step to the right.
I don't know if I got it in me.
And let me hear you clap twice. And if you help me sing, give me love to the night. Yeah, it's your boy Prince. P.O.P. till I D.I.E. Till infinity. Ride around in my infinity. G36, that's the record. We 2028. Y'all 2000 forever. We gon' keep doing what we gon' do. Y'all can just stay hating from the sidelines. That's okay with us. It's peak.
My other fave. Why is these fucking commercials? Always fucking commercials on YouTube. Four? And quit putting the fucking time in it. I don't give a fuck what time I burp. Shit, try to put all the times in that time. Shit. Fucking shit gets old. The fuck? When you say goodbye to a tangerine sky, you feel sorrow. Say goodbye to a tangerine sky. Say hello to tomorrow.